Hello. Okay. We're going to be going down Route Twisk, downhill. This is the Tai Mo San country park road. I've already done about a kilometre down, but it's getting a bit gnarly now. So I thought I'll record this part because it's a bit scary. So I've been down probably about a kilometre, lots of braking, and I can smell my brakes smoking a bit. So we might have to stop every so often and cool them down a bit. I'll try and go easy, but it's pretty much braking all the way, so I don't know what I can do here. Just like on and off the brakes a little bit. It's really slippery, so I've got to take it nice and easy. Pretty steep down here. It's a lot of wind. Hopefully you can hear me. Hey buddy. Some big cows roaming the area. I can see lots of poo-poo. So I'll probably use the front brake a little bit more here. Got the dampers on, you know, and got some flat areas. Okay, so it's quite nice. Just on and off the brakes a little bit. So just on and off the brakes a little bit. So just kind of control the speed. Don't want too much momentum. So this one I'll probably stop here for a bit. See what the brake situation is. As you can see, it's really steep. And let's take another run at it. So it's about 5:45. I got 45 minutes until sunset. So might make it to Tai Lan Reservoir. Yeah, well, okay, so a nice section here. Let the brakes cool off. No sliding. Nice. Bit of pedaling here. Oh, okay. So hopefully that cooled the brakes down a bit. So the whole thing right now is my biggest concern is temperature control. Basically just controlling the temperature of the discs. So whenever there's an opportunity not to brake, that's great. But in this weather, the ground's a bit dry. There are some wet patches. Some wet leaves, which is what we need to be careful about. Really trying to go easy on the brakes. They're not the best brakes, they're not like ceramic or anything like that. Yeah, the brake disc was a little bit brown, a bit like my pants. Okay, so a nice pedally section up here. Really steep one, so might have to get off soon and walk it. But I'm gonna start walking it. So when it gets dark, you know, I've got 2 headlights, I got a pretty high beam torch. The battery lasts about 45 minutes on its highest beam, so I can set it down pretty low, and that can probably add around 15-20 minutes to the battery life. I'm carrying 3 batteries, so that's enough for about 3 hours journey. A couple of head torches, those will come on a bit later, and about 3 rear lights, just so when I'm on the road, if I'm on the road, the cars don't end up hitting me, or other bikers can spot me. Okay, here we go. Here goes another downhill section. My helmet, for some reason, isn't very comfortable. I've got something slatched on here. Need to take it off and investigate. What's that doing? Yeah, it's kind of pressing on my head quite a bit today. Probably my headlight is a bit on too tight. So loosen that up a bit. A bit windy up here. We're on top of Tai Mo San. Pretty much at the peak. Okay, so here we go. Let's go down here now. So on my right, I can see my village pretty much, where I live. Well, you're on top of Tai Mo San, which is the highest peak there is in Hong Kong. Yeah, you can see all the way to China. Okay, so got a great view here of Hoi Pui. Wow. It's Hoi Pui Reservoir down there. Shan Road, MTR station. Here we go. Shan Road, MTR station there. Okay, let's get back to our normal programming. Okay, right, ITO. So I kind of know where I am, pretty far from where we need to go. Really steep down here. Probably have my brakes burning up pretty soon again. Here we go. Whee! So braking in a straight line, front wheel braking. A bit wet here, so you've got to mind the leaves and the wet twigs. You know, when it's kind of overgrown like this. When it's a bit overgrown like that, you don't want to mess around. You know, sunlight doesn't really dry out the roads pretty much, the path. So kind of get a bit gnarly around here. So we're in Tin Fu Chai right now. There's a road to go down here. I'm going to check the map. So that road should lead down to Hoi Pui. Let's have a look at the map one quick. Okay. See, I haven't made much progress, so it's possible that I might. Yeah, so started there. We're here. It's taken probably about 20 minutes. I'm at Hawpool now. There's a road that goes down to Hawpool Trail, and then I'll probably go down and go home, but that's kind of mountain trails. We're gonna have to keep trekking past Tin Phoi and get to Kai Lam Chong, and we'll be in the dark. I don't think we'll make it down here tonight, but I have checked out the route. It is country park roads, which is, you know, not muddy, not mountain trails. It's a proper road. So yeah, let's not turn back now. I'm only halfway, and I'm still on top of the mountain, so it's not much of a trek. Okay, let's carry on, give it a try. So yeah, some showers earlier on, just a second ago. So we're just past Tin Phoi Jai. Yeah, just past a group of bikers just now. So it's a bit wet, just a passing shower. Just came past. It's all nice and slow from now on. Sharp turns here. Okay, let's see what's down here. Yeah, the brakes need to be really strong, to be honest, you know. So Tai Nam Chung Reservoir here. Yeah, we need really strong brakes, to be honest. I'm kind of braking all the way down. Yeah, so I just shared my live location with the wife. She is not going to be happy. Not happy in the fact that I'm not that I'm going alone. It's that it's raining and I'm out on Hong Kong's tallest mountain. Beautiful area. Wet leaves all over the floor. Yeah, lots of warning signs for downhill, so yeah, we'll have to balance out the brake a little bit more here. Find a right line, go down. Yeah, that was already too fast. So I might have to turn on the good old torch here and then stop for a sec. So what I normally do, I put the batteries in backwards just in case so it's a battery in my torch. So interesting thing about this torch, it's got a high beam and a low beam. That's the high, and get down to the low. Couple of flashes, but right now I'm going to turn it off again because it hasn't made a lot of difference. I got a light here, a front light, so that kind of helps tell. Flat here. Full chai. Okay. Making good time, making good time. It's a nice campsite up here. So there's the Macluse Trail now. Wow, there's a shop up here. Now it is the Gulf War paintball kind of airsoft battleground. Airsoft battleground here. Fun, looks cool. This is inside village. Walk up mountain, about half dog, be dangerous, be I don't know. Starting to rain again. So apparently there's a bus stop nearby. See, rain is pelting down a bit. Ooh. Pretty amazing riding in the rain. Okay, so here we are, Tai Mo. Hi up.